All right, Samir. So, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So, Samir, we would like you to introduce a little about yourself, please. First, you can begin.
Sure. My name is Samir Osman. I am an IT manager for a company based in Oman called Smart Network Trading. We are actually into computer technologies, and we are into different solutions. Yes, that's all.
Great. That's all right. That's enough for us. So, Samir, what brings you here?
Well, my company is always giving opportunities for the employee to develop their skills. So I was requested to search for some courses that will help me in my career and develop me and develop also the overall the business in the company. So here I am in India, and we are into different courses since we arrived here.
Right.
Tell me about your experience, how you feel like over the trainings.
Well, SSDN, I came here. Actually, I found SSDN through reference online, and it seems it seems very good institute when I saw it online. But when I came here, it was an overwhelming. I found it much better than what I have seen online. The trainers, the overall environment is completely highly, and the team they delivered a very good course. I'm very happy with the course, and I recommend SSDN for any person looking for a good professional courses.
Right. So, I would like to know here, Samir, usually when we search anything online, so at first, being a human, we are sometimes skeptical about it.
Yes, exactly.
So, when you search SSDN online,
Yes.
what was your initial thoughts and how do you think it has changed today after your completion of training?
Well, as you said, I was a bit skeptical, but I thought from the website, from the everything seems a good company. But when I came here, as I told you, it's really over past my expectation, and I think SSDN is a very professional, reliable company that everyone should sign up with them, and they have very good system and a very affordable prices as well. That's something I need to say.
We really appreciate that. And how about the trainer? How you found the trainer?
Well, the trainers, he's coming from market and industry, with industry experience. So he was always relating the course with the industry, and not only like recent only. He's referring to a recent incident, referring to a recent technology. So he's also updated into latest technology. So that's why I like the course, because he's not teaching, because whatever he show us on the website and on the training was actually the current trend, current technologies, not something old.
Not something hypothetical.
Yes.
Just the real time. Great.
Is SSDN fulfill your expectations? What do you
Yes.
expect?
Yes, 100%, 100%.
Okay.
I'm not saying this because you are being interviewing me. I'm really meaning, and I really mean it, and I really wish for your company a very good future. And I believe the company has a good structure. Actually, I didn't feel I am away. I feel I'm in home. Everyone was welcoming the training, and I'm sure that the delivery, the delivery culture of your company is always to provide something professional. And I believe also on the online side, next time I'm going to take it online with you, and I'm 100% sure that will be the same experience that I have had in the class.
Absolutely. That is one thing we can assure you on. So, Samir, that is about all your overall experience.
Yes.
But I still believe there is something we always have, or probably we would like to know if anything you have for as a feedback for us, anything which you think we should improve or we can work on, any suggestions or.
Okay, I have one thing. Actually, it's maybe it's I need to يعني, tell it. For example, this course I took the Azure course. Actually, 4 days are not enough for the Azure course. I know. Yeah, actually, it need to be at least 5 to 6 days.
Okay.
But I mean, your trainer was able to complete it within the 4 days, and it was very good way from him. But I believe in the future, if you were able to provide in 4 to 5 days, it will be much easier for the people, because sometimes I have no problem to take the pressure,
Okay.
but there are some other people who will not take the pressure. So especially younger generation, I'm like 20 years experience in the field, and I have it was easy for me to do many tasks. But for fresh people, it will need some time.
Absolutely, absolutely. We have different, actually, that is to answer your question, we have altogether different trainers and
Yes.
different curriculum for the fresher people.
Yes.
Because trainings, absolutely, I totally agree with you that when you're training a professional who's already experienced in industry,
Yes.
there is a different approach.
Yes.
But when you're training a fresher, there is
Yes.
a different approach. But yes, definitely, we do note it as the feedback
Yes. Thank
and
you.
will work around it. And we wish you a very good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time and your moreover trust in us.
Thank you very much.
We hope to see you soon.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.